how are you? And hope you are doing well. So, today it's another day of FIFA and national teams matches. So, we are trying to win the safe matches and get away and avoid the risky matches. Okay? So, today's winning will be over and near in an approximately of $1,000. Okay, so let's get the business. The first match is Luxembourg versus Belarus. Of course, Luxembourg will win the match, and also Bulgaria versus Northern Ireland. This match is going to be like this: Ireland will score at least one goal. Okay, the other match is Gibraltar versus Liechtenstein. This match is going to be like this: Gibraltar will either win or draw this match. Liechtenstein will won't score or win the match. Denmark versus Serbia. Denmark will score over 1.5 goals. Okay. And also another match is, we'll skip the Slovakia versus Azerbaijan match, or you can play this. It's easy. Slovakia versus Azerbaijan. Slovakia will win. Portugal versus Scotland. Scotland will score at least one goal. Okay? It's over 0.5 goals. Poland versus Croatia. Poland will score at least one goal, which means over 0.5 goals. We still have two matches: Spain versus Switzerland. Switzerland will score at least one goal, or Spain will score over 1.5 goals. Okay? Other match: Sweden versus Estonia. Sweden would score over 2 goals. Okay? Like this. Or over 1.5. So, 9 matches. You can play them like this: each 3 matches in a separate and individual ticket. Okay, don't ever play them all in one ticket, because it's almost impossible to win. This domain insists on betting and on chance, so play on your chances. If you have, for example, $30, play $15 on a match with high chance of winning, and $5 with a risky match, and you will get the result. Okay, take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.